Noble 1227, contact London Control 129.425. Bye-bye.
London Control on 129.425. Thank you. Noble 1227.
Okie dokes. But yeah, ground were the best people to spot the problem with the flight plan. Stupid patrol.
November 2809 Kilo, your number 2, report final, runway 2651 to depart. UPS 4320, runway 265, clear takeoff, surface wind channel.
Clear for takeoff, T6 left, UPS 4320, thank you. Off we go.
November 2809 Kilo, disregard, continue orbits.
November 2809 Kilo, could you please repeat last transmission?
80 knots checked.
Disregard.
We're going on a V1 and rotating. Flaps 10. Gear up. Engage auto pilots. I have control. Well, all pilots control now.
Alright, LGW, Shuttle 16 call for that altitude.
Shuttle 16 Golf Charlie Tower, line up on late runway 2655 Alpha 1.
Where's the Alpha 1 around for 826 left, Shuttle 16 Golf.
UPS 4320, contact London Control 129.425. Bye bye.
Going London 129.425, UPS 4320, good night.